Very important part, but most of the social media managers or aspiring social media manager often skip or overlook this step, jumping into content creation right away, which is very wrong. Hi, I'm Shara Obligar. I'm a freelance social media manager offering social media management to different clients across the globe. Common question of social media manager: how you can grow our client's business account. Why my client's business is not growing? I've been posting on my client's account, pero bakit hindi siya nagva-viral? Walang engagement, walang comments. 3 times a day naman kami nagpo-post. It is because you are doing it all wrong. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the market research, which is very important in creating content strategy. Before you jump into creating content, you have to do the market research, then content strategy, and then content creation na. Ang nangyayari sa atin ngayon is, okay, nagkaroon ako ng client, gagawa na agad ako ng content, ipopost ko na agad, and that's it. Reason why your client's business is not growing. In market research, dito natin naalamin about the market of your client's industry. So you have to know your business of your client, what is the target audience, the current status or the competitor as well. Dito natin yan sila ginagawa para magkaroon tayo ng knowledge about our client's business. Kasi there are instances na, okay, I have this real estate client pero I don't know how this business works. Kaya you have to familiarize yourself into your client's business. That's why you have to do some research. Sinasabi nila na,
Research lang naman, madali lang naman yan.
no, this is very important part after you do the auditing. I have videos about Instagram auditing, TikTok auditing. Watch those first before jumping to this video kasi market research na to. And market research is after pa yan ng auditing. And now, what to do or how to do the market research, what's included in market research, and this is my process in doing market research. First thing first that you have to do in market research is familiarize yourself in your client's business. Brand overview or the business overview of your client. Just like what I have said earlier, some of the business that we are working with is we are not familiar about their business. That's why we have to ask our client, what is your business is all about during the discovery call or right after the discovery call. We are sending the welcome packet. Kaya I have this strategy guide template that will guide me talaga in creating a strategy and doing the market research because it tackles the brand overview. Aalamin ko talaga about the client's business. Kaya dun sa template ko na welcome packet, I have the intake form wherein dun ko talaga kinukuha yung overview ng mga kliyente or business nila, the target audience, the competitor list if they have. So dun ko yan sila kinukuha. Pero kapag kulang pa yon, yung information na yon is syempre, magre-research na ako about their website. Dun ko siya na-familiarize. So, if your client have website, yung website nila is a golden of information kasi lahat ay nandun na. The mission, the vision, the about, the services, as in lahat nandun na. That's why get your client's website and study the website, do some research, alamin mo ano yung services na ino-offer nila or what is their business is all about, ano yung goal nila, sino yung tina-target nila kasi nandun silang lahat. Second is target audience of your client. So in this target audience, which is included in my strategy guide as well, it is either you can ask your client about their target audience such as the profession, the age range, the demographics, the location, the interest, the challenges of your audience. But if your client just give you some sneak peek of their target audience, like I am targeting United States, which is very broad pa din. So you have to do some research about that as well. Or if you have your client's account already, check the demographics or the analytics of it. Because on each social media platforms, we have the analytics and dun din natin nakikita yung mga demographics of the target audience na nanonood or nagfa-follow sa account ng kliyente mo. That's why it is better to check the analytics right after you get the information of your client's account. And it is very important as well in target audience knowing the interests and the challenges of your audience kasi dyan ka huhugot ng mga content ideas mo. You will use their interests, you will use their challenges to bring solution to them that will make them watch your video kasi dun mo lang sila mahuhook sa interest nila at sa mga challenges nila. Kasi tayo mga people, hindi tayo manonood ng mga content kung hindi natin interest panoodin sila, di ba? Hindi tayo magfa-follow sa isang creator kung hindi nasusolusyonan nun yung problema natin. That's why get your clients, target audience, interest, and challenges so that you can provide content idea that will align to those target audience, interests, and challenges so that those content will push more to your audience and makakapagbigay ka ng result sa kliyente mo. That's how social media works. That's why it's very important to do the market research. And third is the competitor analysis. So here in competitor analysis is you have to get the competitor list of your client. So if your client have competitor list, inspirational account, go and get it. But if wala silang nabigay sa'yo, that's totally fine. You have to do some research as well in social media pero mas mapapadali ang buhay mo, social media manager, if may mabigay talaga silang competitor list. Hindi ka na maghahanap pa. Kasi mahirap din maghanap ng competitor if specific location yung kanilang tinatarget. And when we say competitor, dapat same location, same target audience, same goal, same offering services, dapat same lahat para direct competitor talaga yan sila. And kapag wala, do some research sa TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Google. I am always searching on Google. Sinesearch ko lang, for example, I have client na skincare in United States. Ang kanilang target audience is United States alone. So, I am searching skincare company in United States and lalabas na doon yung mga businesses. And that's the competitor. Then, tinitignan ko na lang yung mga products and services nila if they have the same product of my client's business as well. And of course, in competitor analysis, you have to identify the strength, the weakness of that competitor. You have to analyze their content as well. So here's how I analyze the competitor's account. First is what type of content working for them. Is it reel? Is it carousel? How many seconds? Paano sila gumawa ng content? Is it may trending audio? May hook ba yan? May mga text ba yan? Or smooth lang yung process? Analyze the content or kung ano yung content na nagwo-work sa kanila. Ano yung content na madaming engagement? Ano yung content na madaming comment? And ano yung content na madaming views? Analyze the content. Second, how often they are posting. Is it weekly, 3 times a week, every day, 2 times a day? Note mo yon so that you will propose to your client na client, we will post 3 times a week. Let's try because your competitor is nagpo-post din siya ng 3 times a week and ganitong araw siya nagpo-post. You can imitate that strategy or pwede mong gawin yung kabaligtaran na ginagawa ng competitor mo. The content gaps. Kung ano yung wala yung competitor mo, yun yung gagawin mo dapat. That's why you have to analyze the content of your client's competitor. Alamin mo kung anong araw sila, anong oras sila nagpo-post, then i-note mo yon, then baliktarin mo yung posting nila. So, for example, they are posting every Monday. So, ikaw mag-post ka ng Sunday para before their content be posted, yung content mo muna yung mauuna. So, that's the content gap. Titingnan mo ano yung hindi nila ginagawa at yun yung gagawin mo. And after the competitor analysis, after the target audience analysis as well, you have to do the trend analysis or the trend forecasting. What I'm doing in trending is I'm just browsing on TikTok or in Instagram kasi kapag paulit-ulit ko siyang nakikita or naririnig yung mga audio na yun, that means that's trending. I also use TikTok Creator. So, feel free to check TikTok Creator website. Makikita mo din dyan yung mga trending dyan. So, dyan ko yan sila sinesearch. Or dyan din minsan ako nagsisearch. Pero I always do the browse sa explore page, FYP, Reels, tab, or kahit saang browser sa TikTok or Instagram because that's the 2 platform or the main platform I am always using, Instagram and TikTok. So, do the trend analysis and put 1 to 2 trending content every week sa client mo. If it is not connected sa account or industry ng client mo, just don't post that trending kasi hindi naman lahat ng trending is applicable sa lahat ng niche or industry. As long as you are providing quality content to your client's audience, that's totally fine. Okay lang kahit hindi yan trending. Basta it is quality content, go for it. And after those 4, you have to summarize those research and create actionable insights because we are now going into content strategy. Gagawan mo na siya ng strategy. Once na-analyze mo na at nagkaroon ka na ng insights or ideas about the business of your client. So, i-analyze mo, ano yung nagwo-work kay competitor at ano yung hindi nagwo-work sa kanila and ano yung interest ng audience mo, create a content about that and ginagawa na yan sa content strategy which I will discuss on my next video. Comment strategy if you want to get notified once I upload the content strategy. So that's how we do the market research. It's very important kasi dyan ka magkakaroon ng idea about the business of your client, their target audience, their competitor, or how you will position your client's business into social media among those competitors. So I hope this video will help you, and if you want to get notified about the content and strategy or my future video, don't forget to subscribe or comment a strategy here, and I'll see you on my next video.